The Live Move Mode function allows for live alignment at any angle position of the measuring units. It is used if it is not possible to install the measuring units strictly in the positions of 9, 12, 3 o'clock. Place the laser units in a suitable position within the green sector. Wait for the data to stabilize. Adjust the vertical position of the machine. Then tap the Fix icon. Tighten the bolts and check if the values are within tolerance. This is important because various structural defects, foundation, frame, or the force with which the bolts are tightened can affect the final alignment result. Move the measuring units to a horizontal position within the green sector and adjust the position of the machine in the horizontal plane. Then tighten the bolts in a cross-torquing pattern using the appropriate torque values and calibrated torque wrench to prevent the machine from moving. Check to see if the values are within tolerance. The Live Mode function is intended for use with several methods: Smart Points, Smart Spin, and Smart Angle.